Hello, this is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen. I'm getting ready to prepare salmon. It's like a croquette, but this is going to be a deep fried salmon ball. I'm going to make it in a little ball, and I'm going to deep fry it. So these are the ingredients that I'm using: a honey boy, canned salmon, and I've already cleaned them out. All the bones and everything is already out. Okay. All right. So I'll be still using my onion powder, garlic powder, and I'll be using, I thought I had my plane. I suppose I had the plane now. Just a minute, I'll be back in a minute. I thought I had the plain bread. So I'll be using plain breadcrumbs and granulated garlic powder, granulated onion powder. I have also have I have a little celery, and I'm gonna be using 1 egg. And I'll have some, all of my bell peppers already cut. I have 3 different colors of bell peppers. All right. And I'm going to be using a small onion, which is already chopped. And I'll be using maybe about 1/4 cup of sour cream. Now I'm getting ready to mix this in right now. So I'm first going to pour in my dry ingredients, which I probably have I only have 1 can of salmon, so I only need about 1 teaspoon of onion powder and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. So 1 teaspoon of each, okay? So, okay, that's about 1 of each. All right. And I'm going to put maybe a little bit of black pepper. Okay. And now I will be putting, let me see, I'll go on and put my sour cream in, which I'll be using, let me see how much. This is 1/2 cup of sour cream. Okay. All right, so I have 1/2 cup of sour cream that I'll be adding to the salmon. All right. So now I'm going to kind of blend it in so it can start flavoring out with the salt, pepper, and garlic powders in it. All right. Now I'm going to be pouring in. I'm going to pour in my egg. I didn't beat it. I just left it as it was. Okay. All right. This tray is making a lot of noise, so I'm going to move it. Okay. Now I'm going to be pouring in. This is some of my celery. I don't quite need all of it, but I'm going to pour that in. All right. And I'm also pouring in some of my bell peppers. I don't need the big ones. I see pretty. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of my breadcrumbs. I'm going to add just about, let me see, this is 1 cup. Then I'm going to start off with 1/2 of a cup. Let me see how much I have to have then. I may have to have a little bit more. Okay. Let me put some of my onions in also. This is a small onion just chopped up. I'm trying to mix them up well. And I'm not using salt, but now if you want to use salt, you may, or whatever other ingredients that seasoning for that you like the best. I'm not using a lot of seasoning for myself, but I always want you to know that you can use, if you prefer something that you prefer using instead of garlic powder, onion powder, please feel free to do so. And also, if you prefer to have salt, I'm going to put just, I have a little bit more here. Okay. Okay. I think I have enough of everything in here. So now I'm going to be putting it into my flour. And into the flour, I'm going to add just a little bit of my breadcrumbs. Okay. Just a little bit more. Okay. And I'm gonna, I already have my skillet getting hot, so it should be just about ready when I get ready to put it in there. I'm gonna try to make up my the little balls. Oh yeah, I forgot I had a little bit of parsley captive also that I was gonna put off in here. The parsley helped to flavor it out also. If it doesn't have any flowy, but it just helps it some kind of way. It gives it more color, if anything else. I made that one just a little bit larger than I was intending to make it. So I should have got the dipper, but I didn't. Then it would have all came out the same size. But I'm just going to leave it as it is tonight because it's kind of late. And I'm getting it done later than I anticipated on doing so. So just be patient with me, please, and I'll have it done just shortly. All right, the grease is hot, so I'm going to put them in. And I will be cutting it up a little bit.
She'll be right back when she turn. They get brown and she turn them over.
It's quite good. This on here. I'm saying they get brown too. Yeah, they're brown too quick. And it's too quick and they burn. But if you get them just about right, it's all right. Oh, yeah.
Pretty and brown, y'all. Come to the camera.
Okay. They're browning out pretty fast. I'll turn them up a little bit higher where they can go ahead on and finish. I was trying to keep them as a ball, but I should have put a little bit more grease in them, but they're still coming out. They just won't beat around it like I had. But they're not the patties, they're still in balls, really. I'm still trying to turn them where the sides will be also brown. But they're coming out real pretty. Okay, this is the final touches. These were salmon balls, deep fried. Deep fried salmon balls, but they kind of flattened down a little bit. I was trying to make them stay in the bowl, but I should have put them in a little bit more grease. But anyway, they look totally delicious.
They are so pretty.
And they are very pretty color. It's hot.
Ooh, it's hot. I thought they were sitting there for a while. Let me try one.
Wait.
Let me try that one.
She's gonna, all right. She's gonna try it. I don't know how she could try it because it's so hot to try it anyway.
It's real good. Very delicious.
Okay. So these are my salmon balls. And they were doing the deep frying. But so they came out the pretty color that I wanted them. They could have been just a little bit more grease to deep fry them. So they're not quite deep fried as I'd like to have them. But I hope you all would like them. Try them and see.
They're very delicious.
They are very good. So this is Miss Lena's kitchen.
Very seasoned, even without no salt. Very seasoned.
Yeah. And you can put whatever season you like, I said. But these are very pretty salmon. And they're supposed to be salmon balls. But they came out just a little bit flatter than I anticipated. But please try them. Salmon deep fried balls from Miss Lena's kitchen. Thank you so much. All of my subscribers and new subscribers. I appreciate you all and I love you so much. And I'm so glad to be back where I can show you some new ideas that I have. And I'll be coming on with more every day, something I will have. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day and a blessed night from Miss Lena's kitchen with all my love. I can't do both hands because I have the little tray in the other hand. Thank you. Goodbye. See you later.